Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about decision tree. Challenge: test the state of the world to change your route. For the last challenge, you'll need to collect gems and toggle the switches along the center platform, but several paths take you away from it. You can use conditional codes to detect when your character is on gem or is a closed switch, and take a different action if your character is on one instead of the other. The example is, for iron 1 to 5, move forward. If is on gem, solve right side. Else if is on closed switch, solve left side. We don't have solve left side or solve right side, so it's a function, as you could tell. So we're going to say solve right side first. Solve right side. Now after this, we will write the code, because when we got on the gem, we have to solve the right side because we're going right. So we would have to collect gem. Then after this, turn right. Now we're going to be facing this way, and after that we have to turn back. So we move forward, move forward, move forward. Now we're going to be blocked. We're going to turn left, then move forward, collect gem, turn left 2 times to turn right 2 times, again to turn right 2 times. And then after that, do it backwards, so move forward, then turn right, and then move forward 3 times. After this, we have to turn right again. And this is going to be a long function, as you could tell. Then we're going to do a second function called solve we have to solve the left now, so we're going to say left side. And this is when we go on the toggle switch, we have to solve the left side. So first, we would toggle the switch, then we'll turn left. After this, we'll move forward, turn left 2 times, or turn right 2 times, but I'm just doing turn right 2 times on the right function when we do solve right side, because we're going right, and I'm going to do the left 2 lefts. So after this, we'll move forward, then we'll turn left again. Now after this, we'll do the actual code, which is for I in 1 to 5, because we have to move 5 spaces. We're going to do the code, move forward first, because we have to always move forward these 5 spaces. Then I'm going to say if is on closed switch, we would have to do left side. I'm going to do after this else if is on gem, solve right side. And this is from the example, so I'm going to run faster, see if I get this right. And there's also this open toggle switch that's trying to trick you to make you open that toggle switch. So I just noticed something in the code. It's just that I didn't collect the gem in solve left side. So I have to do toggle switch, move forward. After this move forward, we will have to do collect gem. Now I will have to run this code again and see if he gets it right. gonna go down every single time except this is his last down because we have to go 5 spaces and this is his 5th space. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!